Hi, this is Darlene from Darlene's Junk Journals and More. Welcome to the Fall Collaboration and Challenge and Hop for 2022, hosted by DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon Creations. You'll find us at the hashtag JNC Fall 2022. I am one of the fabulous fawns, and we are already at week 5, and this is what we're using for today. This is this is the page from Cara Brandon Creations that we got. It's a collage page that's absolutely beautiful. And this is the page that we are using from DearJulieJulie, and it's got a lot of beautiful elements that we can use and mix in. As I said before, this is just done on copy paper, so I have something to mark off that I used all the elements, and to show you what we're working with. I printed them off on better grade paper. Okay, so I'm still working on my mini album. As you can see, it is in its cover, but I haven't finished the cover yet. So this is week 5, as you can see by the flinch card. And so I took Cara's page and took some elements from DearJulieJulie's in the flinch card and did that. This is held down by a magnet, and so it holds that up. This is the same paper as this. I'm not going to hold that up. That holds a 5x7 picture up there. And then this says, autumn seemed to arrive suddenly that year. The morning, the 1st of September, was crisp and golden as an apple. And I always think of fall as the first week of September, because to me, when we went back to school, the air always seemed to be getting chilly by then in the morning when we went to school. Quite often, fairly soon in September, we'd have, you could see your breath fairly soon once school started. And even though by the time you went to come home from school, a lot of times you felt like you needed to be in shorts. When you went to school, it was cold. So I made this little, it's a little journal card pocket type thing. You can journal on the back, but I made 2 little cards for the front. And these are just from my stash. And that just goes in there. And as I did before, these are all a 2-page spread for each day. This one's really sticky to get back in here, and I don't know why. I always seem to have trouble with it. There we go. Okay. So this continues on with Cara Brandon's, and this is a little pocket I made for DearJulieJulie's, so you can put something in there. And then this opens up like this, and this is from my paper pad, and it's just some different digitals. This is from DearJulieJulie's. I laminated it and then just covered up the at home with an image and added the girl here to this image. And then this is from just made kind of a tag out of one of DearJulieJulie's and added that there. And then this opens up. I'm hoping I'm still in frame here. This is a upside down, or a top tuck, if I didn't glue it in. Maybe I did. Oh, maybe that's permanent. Yeah, I think I made that permanent. Sorry, I forget what I did. Okay, so it's like a faux ticket, but you can tuck something under it. Okay, so, and then there's these 2 gals talking. I just love these girls, and I have so few places I can use them. So I thought with Cara adding the Autumn Girls to the collection, I just thought I'm going to use them all throughout this one. And so that's what I did. And so I took this and added some of Cara's and some of Julie's images to it. And then that made one of the tags for there. And then we've got more of that there. And then this is another pull out here. And then we go back to what you seen yesterday, or last week, day 4, because these days are not in order. I put them in the book however I wanted them. So that is my day 5. So next week we will be back to show you a flip through of the entire album. I will probably just be focusing on the days, or on the pages that didn't get shown in I will do a quick flip through of all the days, but I won't be doing the flip ups and stuff of all the individual pages. But there are a few pages in here that that aren't in the you know, such as this page, that that aren't in the actual album. So and I'm going to be doing my cover too. So I hope you will stick around for the next week, and I hope you're enjoying the hop, and be sure to carry on and go to the next person in line. And I hope that you have enjoyed this collab with us, and that you will join us in the next one. Bye now.